Apple just dropped a surprise, the iPhone 16e. The sleek new model quietly made its debut, but don't let that fool you. It packs just enough punch to render older iPhones like the iPhone 12 outdated. But is it worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. The iPhone 12 introduced a flat-sided design we now associate with modern iPhones, and the iPhone 16e follows the same blueprint. Both phones look and feel nearly identical, with only minor differences. The 16e is slightly thicker and heavier, just 3 grams more. The biggest external change, the camera. The iPhone 12 has 2 lenses, while the 16e has just 1, although it's much more advanced 48MP shooter. The colors, the iPhone 12 came in a variety of fun shades: purple, blue, red, green, but the 16e, just black and white for now. Both devices have 6.1-inch OLED screens with a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels, 60Hz refresh rates, and peak brightness of 1200 nits. The only noticeable difference is that the 16e gets a slight boost in everyday brightness. But honestly, in 2025, 60Hz still feels outdated, especially when budget phones now offer 90Hz or more. The iPhone 12 runs on the A14 Bionic chip, which still holds up well, but the iPhone 16e takes a big leap forward with the A18 chip. This isn't just about speed, it unlocks Apple Intelligence, Apple's AI-powered features, which the iPhone 12 simply can't support. And with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of base storage, the 16e offers twice the memory and storage of the entry-level iPhone. Here's the deal, the iPhone 16e has only one rear camera, but it's a powerful 48MP sensor with high-res capabilities and advanced AI processing. The iPhone 12, while decent, still struggles to match this in sharpness, detail, and dynamic range. And zoom? The 16e's 48MP sensor allows for high-quality 2x zoom, whereas the iPhone 12 zoom is, well, let's just say it looks straight out of the 90s. Apple doesn't officially list battery sizes, but Tears Down confirmed the iPhone 16e has a solid 3,961 mAh battery, much larger than the iPhone 12's 2,815 mAh. That translates to longer screen time, more hours of browsing, and an extra hour of gaming. Charging speeds? Both max out at 20-watt wired, but here's the downside. The iPhone 16e doesn't support MagSafe, meaning it's stuck with slower 7.5-watt wireless charging. If MagSafe matters to you, you might want to think twice. If your iPhone 12 is still running smoothly, you could hold out for the iPhone 17, but if you're looking for better battery life, a big camera upgrade, and future-proof AI features, the iPhone 16e is a great budget-friendly choice. So what do you think? Will you be upgrading? Let us know in the comments.